Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. Now, today we've got a street machine on deck. This is the 1979 Ford Mustang Boss 429 from Jada's Big Time Muscle series. And this thing looks like it was built to dominate the drag strip. Check this out. Right away you see that aggressive stance. White body with the black hood and roof, and those retro pink and teal graphics running down the side. And then boom, that massive chrome supercharger sticking straight through the hood. Jada didn't hold back on this one. Let's start up front. Classic Mustang grille with that iconic emblem in the center. That blacked out look gives it that mean street vibe. And then you've got that polished supercharger setup belt drive detail, chrome finish, sitting high and proud. This car looks like it's making boost just sitting still. Now this is where it gets serious. Look at the setup. Small, skinny wheels up front, drag style. And then in the back, wide, deep dish rear tires that just plant this thing to the ground. That staggered stance gives it that nose forward, ready to launch attitude. This isn't built for corners. This is built for straight line speed. Coming down the side, those retro pink and teal graphics really give it that late 70s, early 80s street machine feel. The lines are clean, the proportions look right, and the black roof ties everything together perfectly. It's aggressive without being overdone. Now let's bring it around back. Triple Mustang tail lights, rear window louvers, black spoiler, and clean chrome bumper. Simple, clean, and mean. Inside, you've got a clean black interior, racing-style seats, simple dash layout, nothing flashy, just business. Exactly what you'd expect from a street-built drag Mustang. And remember, this is a 1/24 scale model. The detail on the engine, the stance, the paintwork, the interior, Jada's Big Time Muscle line really brings that exaggerated, aggressive look that collectors love. They definitely nailed the attitude on this one. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing you this 1970 Dodge Charger RT from Jada's Big Time Muscle. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.